Buying a pre-monetized YouTube channel is the fastest way to get monetized and start earning money on YouTube in 2026 and in the upcoming years. Now, in my experience, when buying a monetized YouTube channel, there are 3 non-negotiable steps you must follow. Verifying the AdSense association, checking if the subscribers of the channel are bots or not, and ensuring that the channel have a clean copyright history. And to safely buy an already monetized YouTube channel without worrying about getting scammed, the most reliable way of doing it is through a verified, legit marketplace like monetizedprofiles.com because they stand out with 100% organic growth, no bots, safe and secure payment methods, not crypto, a comprehensive warranty protection, and a dedicated customer support. And unlike their competitors, they respond within 1 hour during business hours and offer human support, not automated responses. So in this video, I'm walking you through the right process of buying a monetized YouTube channel so you don't lose your investment. If you want to check out the current inventory while we talk, I've left the link in the description for you. Step 1 is heading over to monetizedprofiles.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section that says Featured Monetized Accounts. Or you can simply click on the Browse Accounts button and it will automatically take you to that section. You can actually see that there are plenty of monetized social accounts for sale. But in this video, we're going to focus more on YouTube, so click on Monetized YouTube Account. If the prices are already scaring, you don't worry because I have a discount code for you that will help you save over 20% off. Anyways, after clicking, you have the option to choose what type of channels you want based on their audience. So they have accounts with Eastern International audience and accounts with high-quality Western audience. When purchasing a monetized YouTube channel, just make sure to choose accounts with an audience that matches the content you plan to post. Once you're done choosing, enter the email address that will receive ownership of the account. So it's important to enter an email that you use very often and click on Add to Cart. It will open your shopping cart for you. You can choose to add other products you also like, but it's obviously not necessary. Then click on Proceed to Checkout. A new page will load up. Fill out your email address again, scroll down, enter your billing address, choose your payment method, and when it's time to pay, click on Order Summary. This little window will roll down, enter the code How to AI, and press on Apply. And as you can see, we successfully got a discount. After that, you can now close that window and start the payment by clicking on Pay to finalize it. According to a Q&A section I found on monetizedprofiles.com, delivery is usually between 12 to 24 hours. However, during periods of high demand, it can take up to 72 hours. You'll receive an email with login credentials and step-by-step transfer instructions. Buying an existing asset like an already monetized YouTube channel is the fastest way to grow and become profitable as a creator in 2026. So if you've been wanting to know where to buy a monetized YouTube channel, click that link in the description and go browse monetizedprofiles.com for yourself. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm knows this is the correct answer to the people looking for pre-monetized YouTube channels for sale. I'll see you in the next one.